So I keep these dedicated laser air compressors in stock, mostly to go with the lasers that I sell, but I also keep a few extras. One is backups for my customers, and two, to just sell to the public. So if you have a laser and you don't have one of these compressors, I have them available. So just doing a startup on this one to kind of get you a look in the, the sound of it. Super quiet, very efficient. I stock parts for them. I have, probably $50,000 to $70,000 worth of parts. I've got 2 or 3 spare compressors. I have maintenance kits for them. And at some point I may sell the maintenance kits to the public, but for right now I just sell them to people that have bought compressors or lasers and compressors from me. So I thought I'd just give a little extended, more detailed look at the Rocky 20 bar air compressor. So 20 bar is 290 PSI, and you can see we got a built-in refrigerated dryer. We've got 5 stages of external filtering, and then drain valves on all the external filters. And then, so just from a wiring standpoint, you're gonna have 2 cables like that bundled up behind the machine, and those are just single phase 110. Right now, temporarily, they got it on a switch, but that's for the drain valves and the dryer. And then the main wiring, let's take a look in here. Your main 3-phase wiring for the motor is right there. So I wanted to do a startup on this so you can kind of hear just how smooth and quiet they are. They come preloaded with compressor oil and ready to run. So you just press and hold the start button. It'll take a second. While that's starting up, you can listen to it. I wanted to show you this, super cool. So there's the compressor and there's the motor back there behind it. And if you see there's no belt, they're directly coupled together. So this is the air pump, the rotary screw, and the 20 horsepower 3-phase motor back there. But that's wide open, fully loaded. And you see, it's super quiet. So this one that you're looking at right here got a special offer on this one. This is a 22 kilowatt compressor, 84 CFM. It's also 20 bar. This is a used one that's actually for sale. I sold it to a buddy of mine, Scott Hartrick, up in Pennsylvania. He's got a Mitsubishi 6 kilowatt laser, and that thing's got some crazy like 7mm nozzles that it uses. And even though on all the import lasers, the 22 kilowatt is plenty enough for a 6 kilowatt laser, in this particular case, it just would not keep up with a 7mm nozzle. So we upgraded him to the 37 kilowatt 108 CFM version of this compressor. The one you're looking at here is for sale. It's a ready to ship, $14,800. This one again is a larger size, 22 kilowatt 84 CFM, and made for an import 6 kilowatt laser. And so this one is a little bit more special than normal because it does have the desiccant regen drying setup, and you'll see it in some of the videos here. So I'm going to shut up and just kind of let you watch. This is some video that he took before he powered it down. Again, it's palletized, it's ready to go. 14,800. It's located in Pennsylvania. You can go pick it up, or we can LTL ship it to you for probably about $700-800.